What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever Googled your own name and found your addresses, phone numbers, just a ton of family members and personal information related to you, this can be more than a little unsettling. So, the scary part of all this is, it's not a coincidence, it's not random. There is something called data brokers out there that actually compile all this information, and they collect and sell it to marketers, scammers, and pretty much anyone willing to pay for it, including people you'd probably rather not be found by. So when I heard about Incogni, I had one big question, and that is, does it actually work? Or is it just another privacy service making big promises? I've been testing it, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how easy it is to set up, and see what's changed in 2026 and whether it's actually worth paying for. So first things first, let's jump right into it. What are data brokers? Data brokers are actually important to understand why they are such a problem. Most people don't realize just how much personal information is floating around online. Your name, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, age, family members, previous addresses. There is so much, the list is endless. Even information that can be pieced together to build an incredibly detailed profile about you, that's what they do. That's where these data brokers come in from. These companies collect information from public records, online purchases, loyalty programs, apps, and dozens of other sources, then pack it all together and sell it to the highest bidder to make a buck off your information. Think about identity theft, targeted scams, harassment, or someone simply knowing far too much that they should, including where you live and work. And that is exactly what Incogni is looking to solve. What are they is probably one of your other first questions, and Incogni is a personal data privacy service built by the team behind Surfshark, now operating as its own standalone product. Instead of manually contacting hundreds of different data brokers yourself, they automate the entire process. After you authorize Incogni to act on your behalf under applicable privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA, or PIPEDA, depending on where you live, it will submit removal requests, follow-ups over time, and let you monitor everything right from their very customizable dashboard that is very clean and easy to use. The company currently works with over 420 data brokers and people search websites, and its removal process has been independently verified by Deloitte, which is more than most competitors can say, and that is one of their biggest differentiating factors here. Basically, getting it set up is super easy and surprisingly simple. You're going to create your account, verify your identity, grant authorization, and then Incogni starts working in the background. One feature I really like is the exposure scanner. It will actually search for where your personal information is exposed online and organizes everything into one dashboard. Instead of spending hours searching dozens of websites yourself, you immediately get a much clearer picture of your online exposure. And once the scan is complete, you can actually watch the removal requests in real time. It's very neat, shows you right on the dashboard. You can go in, see further details and all that. It is very, very clean and easy to use. Everything is tracked in one place, and because data brokers frequently relist information, their removal engine keeps monitoring for that and then resubmits requests if your data reappears. So it's not a one and done. It will consistently work for you and make sure you are set up for success and removed from anywhere you do not want to be. So, one of the things that gets really interesting here are custom removals. This part actually surprised me the most, and it's specific to the unlimited plan. Most data removal services can only clean up the same list of a few hundred known data broker sites, but a huge amount of your personal information doesn't live there. It's actually scattered across smaller sites, forums, people search tools, and random corners of the web that don't show up on any one standard list. And that is why custom removals is here and what it's built for. And it's been rebuilt for 2026, and this is actually how it works now. Incogni actively scans the web for wherever your personal information turns up. You don't have to go hunting for it yourself anymore. It brings everything back into one view so you can see exactly what it found. You decide what gets removed and what you're fine leaving alone. You have 100% control over the whole process. From there, Incogni's removal specialists take it from there and handle the actual removal request on your behalf. And if you come across something exposed that the scan didn't catch, you can still manually submit that link. Incogni will review it and work the removal from there. Basically, it's less digging for you, more actual removals, and it covers ground the top 420 list alone doesn't reach. Then you also have a personal risk assessment. Unlimited users get access to this, and you can generate and download it monthly. Here's the idea. The exposure scanner finds what's out there. The risk assessment tells you what it actually means. It gives you an overall privacy risk level of low, medium, and high based on your real exposure, not a guess, not a prediction, actual real exposure data. Then it breaks down all of this into 3 categories, the first being physical safety. Things like your home address or location data that could put your physical safety at risk. Then personal, which gives details like your name, age, family members, employment history, anything that can be used for impersonation or targeted manipulation. And then lastly, scam and spam, phone numbers and emails that fuel robocalls and phishing attempts. Plus it shows you what's already been removed, what's still in progress, and gives you tailored tips based on your specific exposure. It's a genuinely useful way to go from here's some data floating around to here's what that actually means for me and what I can do about it. Then probably one of the biggest questions that is on everyone's mind is, can you trust it? And then whenever I review privacy software, trust is probably always going to be the biggest question. The good news is Incogni has several things going for it. It's the first and only personal data removal service independently verified by Deloitte, confirming that the company actually submits and tracks the removal requests that it says it does. It's also SOC2 Type 2 certified, which is another important trust tool. And on top of that, Incogni has received the Editor's Choice recognition from ZDNET, PCMag, and PCWorld. Obviously, no other service can promise to erase every piece of information from the internet. It's simply impossible, but Incogni does the best that they can. But what Incogni does promise is handling the removal process across hundreds of data brokers while continuing to monitor your exposure over time. And from everything I've seen, that's exactly what it delivers. So obviously the next big question is going to be, is it worth it? Obviously it's a paid subscription and it starts at $7.99 a month when billed annually for the standard plan. If you want deeper coverage, custom removals, the personal risk assessment, and specialist handled requests for exposures outside the standard brokered risk, then you'd need the unlimited plan. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee if you want to try it yourself. And personally, I think the biggest value isn't just saving time. It's knowing somebody is consistently working in the background, both automating the obvious removals and actively hunting down the harder custom ones instead of forcing you to manually contact hundreds of companies yourself or manually search the internet for every place your data has leaked out. So if you've ever wondered, is Incogni any good? Is it a scam? Or does it actually work? I'd say it is a legit privacy tool that does everything in its power to help manage and keep you as protected as possible. Overall, I've been impressed with how straightforward the experience has been. Dashboard is easy to understand, the setup only takes a few minutes, and it's nice knowing the removal requests continue getting submitted over time without me having to think about it. If you'd like to check it out yourself, I left a link below along with the coupon code PAD60, which gets you 60% off the annual plan. That is a great deal. It gives you the best opportunity to save money, get protected, and see exactly what it offers at a fraction of the price that it typically is. So I know this was a long spiel, but I truly, really do genuinely use it myself. It has been a great tool for safety and a peace of mind, and that alone is worth the time saving and the cost associated. Let me know in the comments down below if you've used the service before, how you feel, and if you actually signed up. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.